Solar panels are a good investment, and I suppose underlying the fact that these things are an investment. The capital outlay is the biggest disadvantage to it, but the one thing to remember here is that these things are maintenance free. The performance guarantee from the manufacturer is 30 years on the solar panels. If you were to invest by just leaving your money in the bank, there is no comparability to the return on a solar system, to return on just leaving your money in the bank and compared to interest. Solar panels are a good investment in Ireland, but they're not for everybody. If you are a customer that is not at home during the day and only spends, say, €60 a month, €60 a month in electricity, it's not really for you. You won't see the reduction in electricity to give you that return over time.